Hey guys, I know I didn't post my day 2 yesterday. Sorry, I'm like covering myself up with this blanket so my video doesn't get like taken down. Um, but I know I didn't post my TGR video, my number 2 yesterday, but I did study. And I just want to like let you guys know what came on day 2, which is really day 1 for the actual trading aspect of it. But so what we learned about in day 2 was candlesticks. Which basically means it's the time at the top represents how long it takes a candlestick to close and what they do in those minutes. So if it's a bullish candle, then the entry point will be at the bottom and the closing point will be at the top. Like that's the range. And then a bearish would be the opposite. Open would be at the top, close would be at the bottom. And then there's patterns. So there's a thing called a doji, which, I mean, there's a bunch of different ones, but he told us just to focus on the dojis. So there's long leg doji, cross doji, dragonfly doji, long leg doji to the negative, inverted cross doji, and gravestone doji, as well as a hammer doji and an inverted hammer, as well as a hanging man. So the higher the wick, the lower the close, means it's likely to fall down just because it was able to get that high, but it didn't finish out strong enough and it closed low, which means it is like an indicator that it is going to go like, lower, which is not always guaranteed. Obviously, there's more patterns and stuff, and he gave us some examples on like what these would like look like. And then it's like he had one where it starts up, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes and keeps going down. So which means it's lost its bearish momentum, which means it failed to close low. And if something like closes fully with a strong reaction to the downside, means like it's going to be a rise. So say if it's a long candle and it has also a pretty long wick, but it closed to the top side, it's a good sign. Also, you should always be making your decision based off the candles that have formed, not just based off the wicks that are forming. Also, we don't care about mountains. We just care about like price action. And that's basically like what we learned about. That's basically like the basic understanding of candles. And then tomorrow we will have day 3, which is about discipline.